Okay, casting off. First thing we do is put our right hand needle into that first stitch, and we just proceed as if to knit it, and then knit the second stitch as well. So when we're casting off, we always want 2 stitches on our right hand needle, and then we just pick up that back stitch with our left hand needle and slide it over the top and let it go. So that's cast off 1 stitch. Knit the next one, pick up that back stitch, pass it over the top. Don't pull it really tight, just how it is there, just like a nice even tension is good. Knit the next one, over the top. And so we're casting off loosely for a blanket so that it doesn't end up being stretched too tight across the bottom. Yeah, if I get a bit further I can show you more about what I mean. And I'm also casting off on the right side of my work, just so we get a tidier edge. Oops, nearly forgot there. Okay, so we're just knitting 1, passing the back stitch over the front stitch and dropping, knitting in another one over the top. So we've always want 2 stitches on the right hand needle, and we go all the way to the end. And then when we get to the end, we have obviously 1 stitch left on our needle. Take that needle right out, hold that loop, cut your working yarn, so you've got a 12 centimeter tail approximately, and then thread it through that stitch and pull it, and that will just you don't have to pull it really tight, but just tight enough to fasten that end, and then you're all done.